Hello everybody. In today's video I would like to showcase how you can update your iPhone 14 series device. First step is to launch settings. Then you gotta go for the general category, software update. Wait until it will check if you have any newer instance, any newer version of the iOS. And in here at the very bottom, if you have any, you'll be able to go for the download and install option. Just accept the terms and conditions, agree, and wait until the phone will download as well as installed the update. It might take some time, so just be patient about it, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.